Well, I'm just thinking ahead now, just talking to people in passing and hearing what other stories, right? Some of the things that's in store is going to be, especially with AI. AI is so huge, right? I mean, we're looking at getting rid of a lot of the boring, the mundane, the data entry tasks. And what's especially exciting to me too is, from a management's perspective, the dashboards are going away, right? The days of drilling in and asking it and trying to figure out the right question, those are going away. And you're just going to be able to ask the data questions and talk it through. And it gives you this, you say, no, well, what about this? And it's all immediate. There's no calling Mark. Hey, Mark, do we have a report? Yeah, we got 10 of those reports, No, you just ask it and it'll tell you the data. I'm very impressed with the agent solution that they're coming up with, where you can develop your own AI agent and interact with your data and teach it about your data and your objects, and maybe even your third-party systems. I would love to see a full solution from when somebody gets a PO to fulfillment being handled mostly by AI, where the human is just able to talk to customers and react to customers' needs immediately.